Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Alcatel One Touch 311. Let's take a look. Mine is from Telefónica Movistar, a network from Spain. There is a joystick up and down, and at the center OK. This is the button for quit the back case. At the left we found the charger port and the headset connector. At the top, holes for a layard, and at the right side completely nothing. The phone was released in 2001. It has 99 grams of weight and 22 millimeters of thickness. I don't have the battery of the phone, so I will connect a lithium battery. For those who ask about the SIM cards I have the different networks from Spain like Orange, Yoigo, Movistar, Vodafone, other ones from Poland, and I only have one working SIM card that I use with Justel, a virtual network of Orange. The other ones can't call with them, but work for turn on these old phones, like this one, for example. So there I put my lithium battery connected, and let's turn it on. Okay, I don't want to set the time. That was the last time I set on the phone. Okay, this is the wallpaper, some hour. Let's take a look at the menu. We find services from our SIM card and the main menu, where we found the contacts, vibration option, messages, our settings for the phone like ringtones, wallpapers, the alarms, calculator or converter from different money, different Cs from USA, from Europe, different settings, games, and recorder for notes, for example, okay, as calendar. Okay, I'm gonna show you the ringtones. Silent one. Please like my videos and subscribe for more stuff like this. The last one was a ringtone composed on the phone. As you can see, there is the composer. You can set the tones for the keypad. Tones for messages are the same for the ringtones. Tone of startup and shut down the phone. Different modes like silent, vibration option. The wallpaper for the phone. Comment below what do you think about the phone. Okay, like the Siemens zoom for menu, as you can see, bigger or smaller letters. Okay, different settings, clock, languages. These are only from Spain, plus English. Let's take a look at the games. New game. Okay, like Space Impact from Nokia's. Oops, I don't know how to play. Okay, button 5 for shooting, up and down, number 2 and 8. Okay, like Space Impact. Okay, let's take a look to another one. One game. I don't know. I think nobody will win. Oh, yes. Okay. Configuration, difficulty, sounds, keyboard. Okay, the last one. I can see really small screen. I don't know how to play that games. Oh, I fell down. Okay. Some adventure games. Nothing much. The phone was released in 2001, has a dual band GSM connectivity at 900 MHz and 1800 MHz. Browser for navigation, internet navigation, WAP 1.1, and nothing much, really simply cell phone, vibrator. There you can see the icon that vibrator is activated or not. I think that was all about the phone. Please like my video, subscribe for more stuff like this, comment below what do you think about it, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.